Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss how to park the customer invoice through T code FV70. Then let's start. Put the T code FV70 in command where, otherwise you can follow the path. Go to the accounting, then finance accounting, account receivable, then go to document, then park document. This is the T code FV70. Otherwise you can put it in command bar FV70. This is your FV70 screen. Put your customer number. My customer number is 400056. Then invoice date, in which date you are going to park the invoice. Reference like your invoice number, then amount, then business place if required you can put, then text. It is a dummy server, so that I can put it as text invoice. In live server you can put according to your invoice. Then put your GL, put the amount, go to change the customer, this is the customer, go to simulate, this is your entry screen, click on complete. This document number 18007. Park document is not won't impact in your ledger account directly. You have to post, then it will be impact your ledger account like balance sheet and